Danlist dowel drilling machine BM500 is a simple but flexible, manually operated dowel drilling machine for horizontal and vertical drillings. It is operated through a 100% safe dual hand operation, including a pneumatic foot pedal for clamping of the work pieces, ensuring maximum operator safety. Needless to say that the Danlist BM500 is CE certified. Having finished the drilling cycle, the drilling unit automatically returns to starting position. A new cycle must be activated manually. The flexible design of the machine makes it easy for the operator to change the drilling unit from vertical drillings to horizontal drillings and vice versa. The changeover is done manually by the operator. Exact positioning of the unit is also done manually. The drilling units and drilling heads are made of Danlist own factory and are widely recognized in the wood industry for their unique quality, precision and durability. Like all Danlist machines, the drilling units and drilling heads are built to last in a 24/7 production. For any further questions or information, please feel free to contact your Danlist distributor or the factory directly.